How many times should you use your keyword on your website? We're going to figure this out right now. What we're going to do is we're going to look at a keyword in a certain area, and we're going to see what is the local competition doing in that area. And each time we do this, this is something that you can do to answer that question of how many times can you use a keyword on the page? How many times should you be using your keyword on your page? So, as an example, if I was in Las Vegas and I was a plumber, I would want to know how many times should I use my keyword on my page, right? And so what we're going to do is we're going to scroll through and we're going to look at the top ranking websites to figure this out. So now what we're going to do is we're on this website. We're going to right click, view source, and we're going to go ahead and do this on all of the websites. Make sure they know I'm a human. View source, just right click view source if you're on desktop. And we are going to look and see how many times they're using the keyword on the page. So we're on this view source page. We're now going to do Ctrl+F and we're going to type in plumber. And we can see that they have the keyword 29 times on this page. And this page is ranking in the first position of Google. Now, this isn't to say that you should only use it 29 times, but it's an example of what's currently ranking and how many times they're using that word, right? So now what we can also do is we can take off the ER and we do plumbing and notice how when we search it to a verb tense or what's considered an SEO as a variation of the top level keyword, what we can see is we go from 29 uses to 369. And what I find funny is a lot of people will have these hard rules or guidelines of how many times you're allowed to use your keyword on the page. Now, someone is going to, let's say someone says that you can only use it 200 times, and then you go into your search results and you look and you see that, wait a second, my competitor is using it 369 times and getting away with it. You know what's going on there. And this is often what I like to do whenever we find these statements of you can only do something a certain amount of time. When you can clearly and easily go into Google search and find instances in which people are breaking those rules. And so as now we have one page and we have the amount of keywords they're using. So 369. Okay. Let's go to our other competitor. 166. Okay. Go to our other competitor. 319 times. Let's go to this guy. 493. Wow. Let's go to this one. 320. Let's go to this one. 544 times they're using this keyword. Okay. Let's go to this one. 206. This one, 577 times they're using the keyword plumbing. Okay. We'll go to this one. Wrong one. This one, 253 times. And so this just shows you, if you're ever questioning how many times you can get away with your keyword, you should just go and search and see what other people are currently getting away with. Because those people that are making the statements, you can only use it a certain amount of times. Well, I've got someone using the word plumbing 544 times, right? And they're ranking. Granted, they're only ranking for one search result. This isn't like search 10 times. So, but still, they're being punished to the top. All right, next is DUI lawyer in New Orleans. We're going to go through here. Going to look at the first top results. We're going to do the same thing we did before. We're going to go through real quick, see if there's any captchas. Right click, view page source. Right click, view page source. Right click, view page source. Then we're just going to see how many times are they using their keyword DUI lawyer or DUI or lawyer, right? Okay. We're going to go back here. We're going to type in DUI 33 times. Okay. Lawyer 944 times. Wow. Okay. Let's try attorney 79 times. DWI maybe 179 times. So then we'll go to the next one. DWI 104 or 102. DUI 135. And then we'll do lawyer 623 times. Okay. We'll do this one. DUI 27. Lawyer 12. DWI 27. Interesting. Go this one. 19. DWI 4. And then 13. Interesting. We'll go to this one. 39 for DUI. We'll do lawyer 26 times. And then we'll do DWI 43 times. Don't want to add that as a bookmark. Oops. So then for DWI 53 times. DUI 53 times. Lawyer 17 times. Okay. DUI 209 times. Lawyer 103. And DWI 59 times. We'll go look at this side. DWI 62 times. Lawyer 48 times. And DUI 3 times. Okay. DUI 67. Lawyer 118. And DWI 282 times. So what's interesting about this one is we don't have as high of a count as the plumber. But these are all ranking, which is interesting. And it goes to show there really are no hard, fast, like set rules of what it takes to rank. You know, someone can use their keyword 62 times, someone can use their keyword 940 times, and they can both rank. And this is why it's important to go into the search and instead of having these biases, we see what it actually is taking to currently rank. And then we just slowly beat them. We add maybe 1% more keyword density. Maybe we add 20 more keywords onto the page, you know? Those are just some examples. All right, so now we got roofing. So we're going to do roof 448 times. Okay, let's do this one. Same thing. Roof 1,600 times. That's a new record. So anybody out there telling you can't use your keyword more than like 500 times, I've got someone ranking using it 1,600 times. You know, just another example. We got roof on this one for 220. We got roof on this one for 590. Okay. Roof on this one, 860. Notice how different keywords are having these different frequencies in order to rank. Plumber and roofer seem to require a lot more than DUI lawyer New Orleans. It's interesting. This one's 196. This one's 1100. And then this last one is 80. Oh, we got one more. That one's 88. And this one's 628 times. So as we can see, the rules really change dependent on who is your competition and what are they doing. What is currently shaping the search results to rank? And if you'd like help knowing how many times you need to use your keywords or how you need to structure your pages, how many HTML tags, any of those questions, book a call and let's get you ranking.